So our rough cut is almost finished. Now what I like to do is work a little bit on my audio. What I find is I don't like the audio track as it is. I find that as I go from one cut to another cut, there's too much of a jump in audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import a master shot that I specifically recorded to have at least 2 minutes of solid audio. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these different audio clips and replace them with one audio track. I'm also going to show you how to easily manipulate the levels of your audio track. So I'm going to start off by importing a master shot, and here it is here. So I have this shot which is almost 1 minute long. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delink the audio and the video clips on my timeline and replace the different audio clips here with one audio clip from this shot. First thing I want to do is I want to unlink my video and my audio. That will allow me to erase the audio without affecting my video. You can do this to all your clips in one easy move. Taking your mouse, drag across and select everything in your project. Then we go up to Clip, down here to Unlink. You'll see that the keyboard shortcut is Command L. Now what happens when I select any piece of audio, you'll notice only the audio is selected, not the corresponding video track. Then what I'm going to do is select this audio and press Delete to delete it. So now I've deleted the audio from the video. Now, from this clip, using this button, I can drag and drop only the audio like so. I now have one solid audio track. So let's compare the two tracks. Here is my rough cut with the original audio. Here's the rough cut with the new audio that is one solid piece of sound. Now that I've added this new audio track, let me just show you some simple ways you can actually affect the levels. So you can actually make a fade in and a fade out. Editing audio is quite easy, very similar to what we do with video editing. We can use dynamic trimming to shorten it, like so. And using your Command key on your keyboard and your mouse, you can actually add points on this line. So let's do one here, do one here, do one here, and do one, two here. Zoom in. Then what I can do with these points is I can manipulate them to change the sound. And the final result is like this.